Hi guys. Mayong gabi Mayong gabi guys. Akong buhaton guys mag scratch ko ani no, lottery. Hold on. Mag scratch ko ani no. Ikaduha naman ni siguro nako na ano video mo mag scratch or take it yung wala lang, just wanna gusto lang ko maka-witness daghan para you never know, makadaog da ita no. O sige guys, mag start na ta og scratch. Ako sa ning putol-putulon tagkuan ni siya guys. $5 tag $5 fortune $5 each no. Mag scratch ta, focus. It says win up to 150,000, match of your any number to any of the winning numbers. When a fraction, find a dollar symbol. When fraction, instantly. Find 5 times symbol. Win 5 times. And the fraction, find a 100 symbol. Win 100 instantly. Why we can find like 150,000 just for once? Alright guys, here we go. Sharp. 44, 37, 26, get slow, 17, 28, 29, 43, 30, 11, 27, 16, 32, 13, 41, 24, 8, 31, 12, 47. How many 47? Now we scratch here. There's no money sign. Oi, 20. I don't have 20. Did I? That's 30. 9. No 9. 3. No 3. 48. No 48. 46. No 46. Oh, no 48. I have 28. No winner. No winner. Now we're doing first the winning number. My number. Now ako ang numero. Now we do that like that. Make a little bit faster. What do you think? Oh my kulay. No winner. Oh no. Three, 39, 33, 43. Wala man. 29. Woo. 48. 40. 27. Hindi na win. No winner, right, huh? No winner, guys. No winner. Oh, why facing in? We are in a hurry, guys. It's getting late. I'm going to sleep. We just get home from... Mapay pag-abot na mo, gikan mi sa store na malit mi. O... Nagpahit ko ka ng pahumot sa ilok ba? Sa ilok. Alright, I think I have the winner, but only $10. Guys, na winner 47. There you go. We clean it good. See it? 47 for air here. 40. Where is that? Over here. Here, 47. Alright, we have the winner. Only $10, guys. Only $10. Or just keep scratching. You never know. One of this day. Come on. Come on. Suso, makadaog. Healthy. I got only one, honey. $33. Wala gyud, wala na. There's no winner. See, I bought the ticket 20. My husband bought the ticket $20. And I lost 50. No, $5. I win 10, so I lost 10. I got a scratch 4. So I enjoy 4 times scratching it. No. Well, that's all, guys. Why just maybe next time, no? Never know. Alright, thank you for watching. Subscribe.